Okay.
I'm flinging the paint.
Yeah.
And stand back.
Okay, don't get mad.
Don't fling it on me.
Put that right
I'll put it in front of you.
Yeah. Ready while we fling it first or while you're doing it?
Watch this, Addison.
No,
Watch this, Addison. Okay, close your eyes, Addison.
Let me get up to speed and I'll tell you when.
Get it.
Here it goes.
Ready? I'm going to go.
Get it.
Oh! Oh, stand back.
Well, I'm going to go for a new color.
Whoa, Addison, can you see it? Call Jack. Show Jack. East.
No, hurry, keep going.
Okay, you got to get a new one.
I don't know when this thing's gonna break.
Hold on, hold on.
Here's the stationary.
I got you to the... Whoa.
Oh.
Yes, I see it.
Okay, hold on. What color is this?
Blue.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so I put the accent colors now.
A little accent. A little
You think it
red.
should be bright red?
Yeah, bright, bright.
Oh no. Hold on. It's not open.
It needs some yellow.
This one, that will just squirt
It
too.
needs some yellow.
All right, let's check this out. Hi, Dan, here it comes.
Oh, the bar keep it.
I don't know. You know, we can always start it up again. Slow it down.
Okay.
All right, let's see it.
Hold on, one second so I can get the spray off the paint off the ground.
I don't, you know what? I don't think it's so bad like that.
It's not really that bad, huh?
Try orange.
I love the way that red just
Don't
Now
squirts.
you
touch
need,
it.
now you need just to do some strokes.
Mama, try
No.
orange.
But I think we're going to wait a minute until it dries.
It's got to dry. Yeah, you probably
But
could have
we
used
need
a
some
little
yellow.
of your yellow in the kitchen. Maybe that could be the stroke thing.
So what did you think about our painting?
Oh, your painting, it was
Project.
the motion that it involved in making this happen was like 360 degrees. You just can't imagine how things were just spinning. That your creativity that was happening all at once was so fast. I just don't know what the public is going to say about it.
Amazing, maybe?
Amazing, amazing. Just detailed down to the last little screw and piece of wood. And now, how do we interpret this? What do we see?
Well, we're on phase 2 now. Should we go check it out?
Go slow. It's profound.
Whoa. I'm a little nervous.
Just a little teaser. Just a little teaser.
Oh, now you're talking like that guy. Who is that guy that did all those paintings?
Just a little bit of gout.
This is dangerous, right?
Okay, here comes the third artist.
I'll be the brown, Debbie will be the blue.
I need a lot more drip.
Oh.
Not dripping well, but you know what?
That's okay though, right? This is very abstract. If we were at like the craft fair or art fair, how much could we sell this for?
Yeah, mute it out. Now we drizzle it. What do you think about that?
Does it get better or worse?
It's getting great.
It's getting worse.
Oh, I I'm liking the shadow feel.
Me too.
So you're gonna have to repeat this in someplace else.
I'm feeling it.
Not overwhelming, but that's wonderful.
I like it. The mixture of all three colors in a muted form.
But just maybe a little dip in another.
It shows balance.
We're going to hang our masterpiece we made today. There we go.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, how
Whoa.
wonderful.
Check this out.
I really think it